Thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel would be fantastic. Fossibot has finally released their brand new rugged phone called Fossibot F106 Pro. This new rugged phone is packed with a big loudspeaker at the back, a big camp light, a powerful long-lasting battery, and a good camera setup. The Fossibot F106 Pro rugged phone will premiere from the 15th to the 21st of April, 2024. This means you will get a big discount if you purchase this phone within that period. I will put the links on how to get it in the description below if you are interested. Now let's talk about the phone. The Fossibot F106 Pro comes in a cool boxy rugged design with military standard 810H certification and IP68 and IP69K for water and dust resistance. What this means is that the phone can handle tough conditions such as drops to concrete or being dropped into water. You can also take the phone into harsh environments without worrying about it breaking down like regular phones. Fossibot F101 Pro comes with a 6.58-inch full high-definition plus display with a 2408 by 1080 display resolution, which is around 401 pixels per inch density. In terms of the camera, Fossibot F106 Pro has a dual camera setup at the back with a 48-megapixel camera lens and a 20-megapixel night vision camera. It also has a night vision LED light. On the front, it has a 16-megapixel Sony camera. Also, Fossibot F106 Pro comes with Android 14 out of the box, which will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G85. Helio G85 is a very decent gaming chip and it can handle normal daily mobile tasks very well. Now let's talk about some of the special features of Fossibot F106 Pro, which include a big speaker and a big camping light at the back. The speaker is a loudspeaker that can produce up to 103 decibels of clear sound, which means you can use the phone as your portable Bluetooth speaker. The camp light at the back is 3 watts light that can get as bright as 512 lumens with different settings depending on how bright you want it to be. With all these features, the phone comes with a 12,000 mAh battery capacity, which Fossibot claims can last 35 days on standby on a single charge. It also offers music playback of up to 58 hours, video playback of up to 48 hours, and the camp light at the back can be kept on for 10 hours, which is pretty cool. You will also get a 30 watts charger in the box, which you can use to charge the phone from 0 to 60% in just 60 minutes. In terms of storage, you will get 256 gigabytes of UFS 2.1 storage, 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, and an external SD card slot for storage expansion up to 1 terabyte. Other minor features you will get are NFC, fingerprint unlock, Face ID, etc. Overall, Fossibot F106 Pro is a well-built rugged phone with some really cool features for adventurous people, and it is really affordable too. Speaking of affordability, as part of a world premiere deal, Fossibot F106 is currently going for just $149, but you will get $10 off if you use the code that I will put in the description below to get it before the deal ends on April 21st of this month. I will also be doing a spec comparison of this phone. You can watch out for the video when it drops. The link will also be in the description below. What do you guys think about this phone? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.